What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video for the channel, House of Prime. I'm Fabio. This is my daughter, Okies. And here we're going to present you a DIY of some, a little bit of house making, well, no, what do you call it? Remodelings we did around the house. And our first thing we fixed was, when we first moved into this house, our dogs kind of got their own backyard that we're ready to turn into a little, like, a nice little backyard for them. You know, we put the house back there, we're going to put fake grass, all kinds of stuff. Well, they end up tearing up some of the panel on the outside of the house. And so it's a long story. We tried to figure it out. Me and Oakland went by ourselves the first morning. Couldn't figure it out. So then the wife got off work and then we just put it together. And so that's going to be a fun one. Then the second project is the picket fence. The picket fence was one night, we don't know for sure. We're about to have cameras installed in the backyard, but something ran through the back gate and made a huge hole. So what we did was we went ahead and bought lumber, picket fence, 208 from Lowe's, and it was my first time doing a lot of this stuff in the new house, and it's just a huge accomplishment. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.
I don't have to record the whole thing.
The nails didn't come up.
Weird, bro.
Huh?
He's being weird, bro.
He's sniffing your ass?
He's trying to. Teddy.
Okay, so the nails didn't come out. See?
I'll let you edit this. You're gonna be able to make it look a lot better.
Okay. Well, the nails didn't come out, so we might have to we'll mess with that.
We can always just go around them whenever we're putting that thing in.
Okay.
We just needed this side for sure to come out because Teddy, you better don't, dude. Now he's okay. Why is he sniffing everything, dude? He's kind of creeping me out a little bit. Oh, leave that black piece.
Got too much of my daddy in me. Oh, jeez.
It's okay if it comes out in pieces, Dad. We just need it to come out. Use your hammer. Why are we not hammering this
Like
shit?
this?
Yeah, fucking get rid of that shit. Hold on, let me back up or you hit me with that.
Oh, the part you took.
Now Anakin comes in.
Move.
Get it with your hammer, no?
Babe, how else? It's gonna pull this up.
Okay, well we don't want that.
Yeah, exactly. Good call, Coach. Okay. All right, guys, we're placing this right here. Hopefully we're getting close, and hopefully it looks good. With Babe's help here, we're getting the glue going. We're almost done. We'll let y'all know the update, boys. Just in case, dude, because if anything helps, it'll help.
Right. That's what I'm saying.
Side, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's not gonna be good.
I'm sorry about that. Ooh, they trying to pull it out of me. Right here?
Yeah. Careful, Dad.
Where at?
The middle. Yeah.
In here?
No, let's do this on the lower one.
Where else you want it?
That's good. That should be plenty.
That's how you want it?
Yep.
You want me to do one here or anything or no?
No.
Okay. Babe doing a beautiful caulking job.
I don't know how
Our glue.
I don't know how beautiful it looks, but it's gonna be sealed up, that's for sure.
Yeah. This is better than just leaving a wide open gash. We replaced it as, I think better, not better, but at least as good as what it was.
Better than yeah.
Better, I mean like.
Better than it being open.
Better than it being open and then, yeah.
Creating a home for rats and stuff.
Yeah. All right, guys, right here. By the time we get ready to throw paint on, you're not even gonna notice some of our flaws. But this is the best we've done. We got it caulked up, making sure from all areas. Put back it on as much as we can. We're gonna be cleaning this off. But to protect from rodents or anything getting inside, you always wanna make sure you got everything fixed up, even if it's half-assed. And right here, if you look.
We're new at this. So this is our first time doing it, but I think it turned out great.
Absolutely, absolutely. Right up here, Paisley, if you shine this way on the wall, you're gonna notice the whole wall is so dusty on this side because of the dirt we have. But by the time we get closer to the summer, we're going to
Power wash it.
power wash it, and so
And we'll make a video of that.
yeah. Go ahead and let them know what we're gonna do, Dad.
Okay, so we're gonna replace these two because we don't know what happened here, an animal or somebody kicked it. We're still unaware, but we're gonna take these two off and just replace them.
All right. Here we go.
And it's our first time again, first time for everything.
See, my dad never talked about hitting the nails up, but I don't see how that's even possible. Is that safe?
Yep, do it. All you're gonna do is mess up the other one, which we don't need that board either, so.
Yeah, I do. Well.
Oh yeah, why don't you try banging it? Here, let me see if I can grab them.
Huh?
Let's see if I could grab them.
Nice. There you go. Damn, Hulkamania.
Oh my goodness. Oh shit, Sabby.
Almost went down. I forgot I wasn't on HR time. Had to toughen up. Okay, so now we're taking the nails out, right?
Yeah, because we're gonna put new nails.
I wonder if I
Pull this up again.
Huh?
And yes, we're sponsored. I'm
What was it?
Your hands.
Oh.
We'll have to get one of those magnet things and come out here and sweep the area.
So there was 4 on top. Oh, well. I don't know. 2 on each side at the top, right?
There's 2 here too. Look, this one's already missing.
Oh, okay. So pretty much 2 all the way down, right? Ooh, gotta be careful.
Yeah, don't ruin that wood. Then we're gonna have to be going back for another piece of wood. He's splitting, so let me get. I look pregnant, but I'm not pregnant. I swear I'm not pregnant. I'm like in the frame all looking all like 7 months.
Oh boy.
Looking 7 months pregnant. I swear I'm not pregnant. I'm just chunky. You can edit that part out, Dad, but jeez. Packed on the pounds.
Okay.
Alright.
With all the nails out. I wish it would leave it like that, huh?
Yeah. Why not? Okay, I wish we had something to. You don't got anything to.
What?
Those things are splintery.
Oh, these are splintering too.
Oh, it's a little bit smaller than 6 foot.
It is?
But I'm sure it's just because the tops are weathered.
Oh, yeah. Because if you put it on this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
But don't these have to,
Yeah, they need to go up a little.
because you don't want it scraping, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that'd be the go?
I mean, no, you gotta go up a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah, right there. Right there. Give it some time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit taller, but look at how much these are knocked down. These don't even have the dog ears anymore. It's so knocked down.
That's what they're called?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if there's an easier way.
Damn, he almost got this one too.
I could probably put a nail there in a minute.
Yeah, just to keep it together.
And if not,
And some glue. We got some wood glue.
so it looks pretty. Okay, so
basically what I would do is I would just stick a little toe up under here, like this. Hold it up, nail it in. You know what I'm saying?
okay. All right, boys. We got some advice from this type of wood right here from an older gentleman at Lowe's. Told us that this one was already pre-sprayed or something, or what do you say, Ben?
Pre-treated.
Pre-treated is what he said. It's
Sorry,
more durable.
brain
It's a little bit heavier than I think.
It even feels a little wet.
Yeah. So hopefully this does the trick. But the goal is cover up this hole. So let's get to it. Okay.
I
So.
could stick my foot there, right there.
Okay, so
But you're gonna want it all the way flush, remember, because the other one is close.
Damn, did you have to open it like that too?
Yeah, I feel like I didn't take that long, but
Where at, babe? Right here?
yeah, anywhere where the wood is. And then it looks like they're going like this.
Make sure it's leveled up to the top. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, don't hit it.
What I'm noticing about it too is I wonder if they keep it a little damp and wet so that way it doesn't crack so much trying
When
to
you're
nail
putting
it
it
in.
in.
If we looked at those other ones that were a little cheaper and they were more like
Yeah.
dry and woody, I wonder if it would have cracked through the whole thing.
Well, I don't know if they were cracked the whole thing because these are just super dry. We should have sealed these a long time ago. As soon as we got here, we should have sealed them.
That should be good, huh? I mean, well, by the time we have to end up replacing those, we're just going to do the same thing anyway.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, okay. But you're wanting it over here. Okay. Right?
Well, I want an even sided space on both sides.
Okay, it ain't gonna be perfect, I'll tell you that.
All right, scoot it up a little bit more. Right there. Yeah, right there. Quit hitting your big toe, dude. Sorry. Sorry about that. All right, ready?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not doing
Come on, baby, send us home.
that monster's really kicking in.
Now I get to do the signature hammerman skill.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right. All right. Good stuff.
We knocked out 2 things in one day.
They don't call me Fabio for nothing. The job is finished here. My main thing was worried about it not matching this wood here. I really don't understand how you get it to look like this. But from my understanding, they say to stain it, eventually over time, either replace this, or if not, it'll all come together eventually, or even if we decide to paint it. This up here, if you can't see close enough, you can tell these are real wore down. That's why it might look like it's not even. Kind of looking bucktooth right now, but
but I'd rather it look like this than have the hole.
yeah, exactly. And if we really get tired of it and we want to either replace these boards to match it, or we can start trimming this down to get it to where it needs to be. But right now, this covers up where the hole was, so they can see in our backyard.
And these were only $208 a piece.
Yeah.
You really can't beat that.
I'd love to see the animal bust through this again by himself, dude. He's gonna have one heck of a headache.
And we did buy the sealant, and we are going to start sealing this wood and hopefully not have to replace so much of it.
Yeah. So, all right, boys. We'll talk to you soon.